PSP's PianoVerb2 is a plugin for creative resonance and reverb. It works by setting up 12 resonant filters that mimic the behavior of piano strings, and of course, you have a great amount of control over transposing, tuning, and detuning the virtual piano strings. Have a listen to this dry classical piano, and we'll add PianoVerb to it. When PianoVerb is activated, you'll hear this multi-dimensional resonant space that's created around the piano, unlike anything that traditional reverb plugins normally do. Here's no PianoVerb, and here's PianoVerb activated again. Here's an example of PianoVerb2 applied to an electric rhythm guitar part mic'd from its amp with one mono mic. Here's dry, and now wet. It's similar to a spring reverb like PSP's Springbox, but this has a different, more naturally resonant character to it. Let me show you the power and the real character of the 12 resonant virtual strings. With this electric guitar passing through the plugin, I'm going to turn the dry signal down so that you're only hearing the PianoVerb2 sound. Modulation is off, and detuning is also off. The transpose knob is controlling the transposition of the virtual strings. When it's set to its minimum, -24 half steps, the virtual strings are so close together that the result is a smooth, shimmery reverb. But listen to what happens if I change the transposition of the virtual strings to somewhere around +4. Now you can hear the virtual piano strings resonating very clearly. Here's an even more extreme example, going to +24. Let's dial that back to around 8 or 12, and now we'll detune the strings so that the effect is more dissonant. And now we'll add some modulation back in. That's a little bit fast, so let's slow it down a little bit. And now we'll bring back the dry guitar and mix in the wet signal to taste. PianoVerb can also be used to create vast sonic landscapes. Here's an ordinary electric guitar playing through PianoVerb2, but let's use the freeze function occasionally to turn the time and damp freezing on. This texture is created by just a few guitar notes. PianoVerb2 opens up some incredible possibilities for spatial resonance and sound design.